Okay, Cancun Mexican restaurant. Welcome to your back office. You should have gotten an email here just a short while ago, this morning, that gave you your credentials to log into your back office of your mobile app. Right here is your username. The password is the same thing. It's all lowercase Cancun for the username and the password. And when you click on that link and then go to log into the back office, you can simply click this button here to log in, and now you are in your back office. Don't worry about all this stuff that's here in the middle of the app. You want to focus what's on over here on the left. And these arrows. It starts here with customers, comes down here to settings. When we click on settings, the first thing I'll show you really quickly is just the home screen. So this probably looks familiar. This is the home screen of the app. And this is in the settings section. So if we just start at the top, and I just want to run through the different features that are here in your, I want to run through the features that are in the app that are here in the back office. The first thing I want to show you is your customers. When you click on Manage Customers, you're going to see a list of the people that have downloaded the app, as well as all of their information. That being said, what you want to focus on is, number one, having people download the app for Loyalty Central from the App Store for iPhone and Android. Once they download that app, you want to have them search for your business. Once they find your business, you want them to favorite your business. And that is the big heart that's on the right-hand side. Once they click on that heart and favorite your business, then they will be automatically added to your list right here inside of your back office. In fact, I've got my app open right now. I'm going to click on the favorite button. I hit the button to submit. I hit the button to confirm, and it tells me that it was added automatically. That being said, I will click here. I will come back here, and voila. Here I am, right here. I was just added to your list. So it's that simple to be able to get customers into your list. And then, of course, you have these people right here where you're able to send them messages and all that kind of wonderful stuff as far as the push notifications and the emails. Okay, the first feature that's inside of your app is called the fan wall. And the fan wall gives people an opportunity to leave a testimonial. What will happen is, as soon as they go ahead and put a message in, you will be getting an email at this address. And it'll tell you to come back here because someone just left a review. When you come back here, the message that was sent will automatically say that it's deactive because I do not have the opportunity to log into your app and post whatever I want. I can come in, make a post, you're going to get a message that it happened, and then you come back here to make sure it's something that you want inside of your app. If someone spelled something wrong, you can click on the edit button here. You can come in and make whatever changes, click save, mission is accomplished. And all you do is just click this button from deactive to active, and now automatically it will show up inside of your app. So that's the first feature there. The next feature is called menu, and the menu is actually linking to your website. So if we come back down here to settings, and we come back down here to the app, right? We just did fan wall, and this here is menu. This button right here, assign change functions, this takes us and shows us each one of those features has got a yellow box. When you click on the one for menu, you can see what the name of it is. You can see what the function of this feature is, which is a website tab. And then here is the website that takes us to your menu. That information is there, and it's just not something you're going to have to change very much, at least until you have us do a new website for you, which I would suggest because your website is not optimized. Meaning, when I look at it on a phone, I've got to try and make it bigger, make it smaller, and all that stuff. When we build you a website, we set it up so that everything is actually formatted to the screen. So nothing for you to do there with menu. Next on your list, as we're going through the app, the next one here is location. For location, that's right here. the store locator. So the home screen is here. The store locator is here. When you click on store locator, we already have your one location in here. We've got all this information in here that we filled in. We put the address up top, which gave us the directions. We've got the name, and we need to put your email in here again. There's your email, so it's a good thing I came in here. The address, there's the picture. We click save, and now when someone clicks on the location button, they can email you, they can call you, they can get directions, and they can see that wonderful picture of that dish with those 3 beers and covered in shrimp and seasoning. My goodness, that looks so good. Okay, from there, the next button that you have on your app is the Call Us button. And the Call Us button is really simple. We've got your phone number here, main number. And if you wanted to add a second phone number, you'd simply type the phone number up top, put a description of where that phone number is connected to, and click Submit. Then you would have 2. You know when you call a business and it says, oh, dial 1 for this, dial 2 for that, and all that stuff? Well, what we can do is just list all 5 phone numbers right here. That way people don't have to deal with that, and they can just call direct to wherever they're calling to. Right now, of course, we have just the one phone number in here. If you want to do more, you can just, hit a couple buttons and you've done it. We have a tip calculator inside of your app. There's absolutely nothing for you to do with the tip calculator. It just works. Okay, so the next thing I want to take you to is the Submit Photo. Now, that's an email form. So this tab right here that's called Forms, that's what's going to take us to this form that we've created called Submit Photos. If you want to create any sort of survey, this is the place to do it. You would just click Add New and then fill in all the information. Right now, for the Submit Photos tab, all we had to do is put in Submit Photos for the name, the button that says Submit. Then we scroll down. We put Confirm, 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 Cancel, and then right here, your email address. And then this last button to make it active, we click Submit, and this Submit Photo tab is ready to go. So someone can go inside of the app, they can click the button, and they can send you a picture. Here are the fields. Click Manage. We're asking for their name, their email address. This is where they're going to submit the photo, and then they've got a place to put notes. Now, let's say that you wanted to have a situation where you wanted to give the customer some instructions, like submit your photo to be entered into our contest. We're doing the selfie with the most smiles in it is going to win a prize. So we're going to collect pictures for the next 3 weeks. At the end of that, whoever submits a picture that's got the most smiles in it is going to win. So what you can do is in this area here where it says Submit Photo, or really any of them, you can click on the Edit button, and this section right here is the instructions for the user. So if you wanted to have something like that, you would simply come in here and type that information in. Once you're done, click Submit, and that information is going to be added so that someone can see it and know exactly why they're submitting a photo. And again, that form tab allows you, it's got so much flexibility that you can literally create forms for anything. The next thing I want to show you is the image gallery. That's listed right here. And in the image gallery, we already have all of these pictures that we've uploaded into your back office. That being said, if you want to add more pictures, you come over here to where it says Add Multiple. And then this is going to give you an opportunity to add 10 pictures to it. So what you would do is you would come here to number 1, click on the Choose File button, and then you would pick any one of these pictures, click Open. When you do, you can see that the image has been uploaded. If you want to give a caption that's going to go along with the picture, more power to you. And then when you come all the way down to the bottom, that's how we just added it to your photo gallery. You see that there? So that's step number 1. Step number 2 is you're going to go back to the home page of the app. We go to the home screen. Photo gallery is on this form here, so we're going to go ahead and click this. And here is the gallery. We click on gallery, and there's all your pictures. Yay! And here's the picture that we just added. So once we've added that picture and checked the box, we click the save button, we click the submit button, and now that picture is inside of the app. Let's see here. Okay, so we go back to the image gallery and let's delete this picture. But that's how simple it is to go ahead and add a picture. The next thing you're looking for, and let's close this. The next thing you're looking for is right here for Information tab. With the Information tab, we've added, actually we need to turn this off. Okay, so we've got your drink menu. Okay, that's inside of the app. And then we also have, oops, that's not what I meant to do. Go back. We've actually got your, this is another version of your menu. This is actually not live. So let me delete this. Okay, back to Information tab. And what we have here again is the drink menu. So, if you wanted to make some changes to this, like if your pricing changes or if you add more items, you just click on the edit button. Everything is already set up. And then this works just like Microsoft Word. You can jump right in here. You can add another item. You can change the price on any of this stuff just by clicking on it and typing. When you're done doing what you're going to do here as far as making any updates or changes, you simply click on the Submit button, and then your drink menu has been updated. The Information tab is amazing because you can literally have any amount or type of information you would want right at your customer's fingertips. Okay, we've got 3 more to go. Let's go into the loyalty features. And we've got the coupon. So half-price margarita. And what we did here is you sent us the picture, and then we went ahead and uploaded it and formed this tab. Okay, so the title is half-price margarita. Here's the merchant. You can use it 10 times or however many times you want them to be able to use it. You would just enter that here. Here's the redeem code, TEN. These are the dates that it's active. Buy 1 margarita, get 1 half off. From there, we created this image to go along with the offer. And then you click, click submit down there. So if you want to add something else, we can certainly do that for you. You can have as many coupons as you would like inside of the app. If you have the ability to make those sorts of flyers, you can go ahead and do so and upload it yourself. Otherwise, you can send us the details and we can do it for you. From there, we also have the punch card. And in the punch card, we have a coupon which is called free combo meal. So we come over here to click edit. Free combo meal. Basically, you can see all you have to do is make 5 purchases to be able to unlock this. This is what it looks like before you punch the card. This is what it looks like for each punch. Here is the code, TEN. And then down at the bottom, buy 5 combination meals, get the 6th one free. We've made it active, click submit, and that is now available. If you would like to, you can have as many punch cards as you would like to be able to offer loyalty to your customers. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is under campaigns, and that is your push notifications. So it says notification. What you would do is you would come in here and click add new. Now, again, on the front of your app, there's a button that says favorite. So what you want to do is you want to encourage your customers to download your app. Once they download the app for Loyalty Central, they are then going to search for your business in the list. When they find your business, you want them to favorite your business by simply clicking on that red heart. When they do, there's another button that says Submit. Once that happens, they are added to your customer list. So when you go to send out a push notification, they are going to automatically be receiving your message. It's very simple stuff. You start at the top by putting in the name of whatever the offer is or information is that you're going to be sending out. So again, you guys have got that Salsa Fever thing. If you're doing that every week, you're going to be sending a message telling people about it. Then you're going to be sending them a message with a review. You might even send another message that says, hey, check our photo gallery, because we've got a photo gallery set up just for Salsa Night. Now let me take a step back for a second. Because you can have an unlimited number of pictures inside of your app, why not have one gallery that shows the food, one gallery that shows all the fun that's going on Salsa Night? And that way people would click the photo gallery and they would have a choice as to which gallery they're going to look at. Unlimited number of pictures, unlimited number of galleries, unlimited number of information pages that have got information about your business. Okay, again, this is the last thing, sending the push notification, and then we'll wrap it up. And you put in the name of the offer, the date, click this button here to select the time. From there where it says reward level, you can just leave that blank. Locations, all locations. Stop. Okay, then what we would do is we would simply scroll down, and where it says short description, you can put that in there, and then here is where you're going to have your long description. So tell whatever story you want to tell in that message that you're sending out to people. In doing so, down here at the bottom, you can also add an image. So you can either write your message or you can have a picture with the writing on top of it and upload that picture here. Upon doing so, you can click the active button, click submit, and that message will go out when you tell that message to go out. That literally means you can have 10 messages that you want to send this month. You can sit down at one time, write all 10 of these messages, set them up, and then they will go out at the day and time that you tell those messages to go out. Now, that is the last thing. The only other thing I want to say, because I can't remember if I said it or not, is write down this URL. It's www.appadminlogin.com. Make sure you see the correct spelling of that, appadminlogin.com. From there, you can click on this button that says Video Tutorials, and what you have here are individual videos on all the different features. So this video that I've created for you here to give you an overview of the entire back office is going to be just shy of 20 minutes. But if you want to come back here and just go over the part about sending a push notification, here's a video that's all it talks about in this video is sending out push notifications. Let's see how long this is. And so it's a 4-minute video. So as opposed to coming back and watching this 20-minute video that I've created, you can literally come in here and find a video for each one of the features that are inside of your back office. Okay, that's it. It's very exciting. Let us know if you have any questions or if you need anything. We are right here to serve you. Jeremy is always at your beck and call, and you all have a good rest of the day. Enjoy your app. It is time to start promoting it, getting customers to download it, and starting to build your business. Have a wonderful day.